Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. Today we're in Wanda, and we're getting Wanda some new to us, wheels and tires. Mark over at Axel's East, he's got a Cherokee that I believe he might have bought for parts or something like that, but it's got a set of wheels and tires on it that are a hell of a lot better than what came on Wanda. So we're taking Wanda over there. We got a jack stand, we got some tools, and we're going to swap them out.
Back there.
He's got his own Cherokee junkyard back. How's it look? Any better? Pull that jack stand out, Robbie? Oh yeah, much better. A little Wanda here got a little facelift.
Look at your established insurance. They adjusted. That's crazy. Cock.
Like it's like one on every wheel is just not nice. Why are people with Jeeps so afraid to lube stuff?
It fucks up the truck.
All right, that's pretty cool.
I think it's gonna look fucking awesome. You just might rub in the front a little bit, but you're on the stands.
I'm on jack stands?
Yeah. I was going to take them out and
Get
then
your legs under it.
They weren't really under.
Yeah, it's okay. They're on there enough.
Did I put that one in a good
Yeah.
Just so since I'm business carrier,
Without
because I figured it would screw me up and it would take longer. The truck looks good. I would not raise it. Like, please don't. It looks so fucking good the way it does.
Yeah, they're gonna rub like crazy.
No, I don't think so. Okay. It's only a 30.
Looks good. It's close. I'm hot and sweaty. Every lug nut was rusted, as usual. Yeah, dog. And that's it for this video on Wanda. It's Wanda, by the way.
That's what I wanted.
Thanks for watching.